What is going on, guys? Welcome to today's video. My hand's not free today, so I had to go with the head nod for this one. Today we're going to be talking about this bad boy engine. $50 amongst other things. Let's get started. So we've got things to talk about in all three areas. I'll start right here. This is the Yoshimura pipe. I've got some progress on it. The video is definitely in progress. As you can see, I did end up cutting the stock pipe off, and let me see if I can do this one-handed, but this is looking pretty promising. So we'll go ahead and stick the Yoshi in here. Obviously it's not fit to size yet. There we go. So I've got the Yoshi pretty much in there. It's a little bit difficult since it's not completely done yet, but as you can see, this is going to be working out pretty dang well. You can see it, we're going to go with the side, off the side like that. This keeps it away from the tire, and again, this isn't done yet. I can even modify some of this tubing to cut it shorter. That way we can get the pipe back a little bit more. It's not too bad actually, and this is going to look sick, guys. I really wish actually my carbon fiber wrap turned out, because this would just match it perfectly. I honestly didn't really plan that. I know I said that I did, but yeah, I might have to get some legit wrap on it now that this pipe has this on it, and it actually looks pretty cool. I'm also considering doing a quick flip on this bike. Like, I'm talking take it apart one weekend and do up the frame, do up, like, you know, clean up everything, get it just looking good again with this pipe, because I mean, I really do like this bike, and this is gonna give some new life to it for me. So let's go ahead and put this down since this isn't the install video. Really hoping to get that done for you guys in this next week. I know that I was telling you guys that we might do it for this weekend, but the local welder got pretty busy, so I need him to get it pretty much completed, and then I just have some fabbing to do on the pipes, like I said. But let's move on to the main point of the video. And the main point of the video is the 47cc engine you see right before you. We ordered this a few weeks ago, and you guys have actually been asking about this more than the actual Yoshi install, so let's talk about it a little bit. Like I said, the engine came from eBay for just $50. It wasn't sent to me. I did go ahead and pay for it, and I'm not going to be trying to do any sponsorship with it. I'll just pay for everything that we do for it straight up, and that is going to be where you guys come in. It's going to be all off of your input. I want to hear from you guys in the comment section. Everything you guys tell me to do, I do read every single comment that comes in for videos. So the more you guys comment and the more you guys give me your thoughts on what to do. I know there's a lot of knowledgeable people out there that have little tricks that I don't even think of for engines, and yeah, that people are out there that are way more knowledgeable than me, so that's why I love hearing from you guys on this. So we're going to be going ahead and upgrading, you know, the basic things: carburetor, air filter, you know, spark plug, the clutch, probably the sprocket right here. This might end up staying. It seems pretty solid, and you know, most likely the ignition cable here, but I'm kind of considering right now where we want to start with the actual build. Do we want to start with the hardcore mods, and that's going to be shaving stuff down in the cylinder and messing with the piston, most likely taking apart to get to the crank? I know there's some tricks and tips for improving performance inside the engine, or do we want to start with the basic mods like air filter, carburetor? And by the way, I also want to set up a small engine run stand for this thing, so we can actually, you know, bolt this down right here and run the engine. I know that's not going to give us our speed, but I'm confident that these engines will go about 30 miles per hour as they are, maybe a little bit less actually, since this is just the 47cc and not the 49. But what do you guys think? Should we start with the hardcore mods, opening up this bad boy? It's obviously brand new, so that's great for me as far as working on it, and there's a lot of upgrades to do. The reed is inside there, we can do stuff to that, and like I said, carburetor, pull starter is probably good to go. But what do you guys think? My first thing is going to be the pipe. I do have to get an actual pipe. I think I'm just going to go ahead and get the top of the line pocket bike exhaust pipe. Rather than doing anything custom, I'm going to get everything that actually works for the pocket bikes to make it easy for you guys, because I know everyone wants to know what to do to their bikes to get it to run faster and to make it interesting for everyone. So I think I'm going to go ahead and just stick to actual pocket bike known performance mods, besides the actual shaving of stuff inside of the engine if we end up doing that. But like I said, guys, this is just going to be kind of the intro to it. There's no point to really disassemble stuff on the engine right now because we don't have any parts for it. the more you guys comment on this video as far as what to do, what to order and stuff, that's when I can go ahead and order it for Monday to get this stuff shipped to me, and we can really start getting going on it, because I know everyone's been asking about this thing. And then when we're done with it, the plan would be to either throw it in the basic pocket bike, or we could throw it in a small go-kart. Whatever you guys want to do, the voting is up to you on this. And this is actually completely new to me too, because I think I always dealt with the 49cc engines, because when this thing came in, everything looks significantly smaller. It's kind of weird how they label these engines on the sites where they sell them. Like they'll say 47cc, 49cc, so it's kind of deceiving to get people searching both things just to get to their item. But this must be a 47cc engine because of the small diameter of everything. So yeah guys, $50 will pretty much get you 30 miles per hour, which is pretty dang cool. Anyone that I've told in my life about this has been pretty amazed that this is just $50. I mean, it's Chinese and everything, but it's nice enough. This thing should last a little bit, and I cannot wait to get started on these mods. Moving on a little bit to the next item, the Pokemon Pocket Bike here. Last week I promised you guys I would keep you updated on the old patch that we did on the gas tank here. If you guys don't know anything what I'm talking about here, just go ahead and check out the last two videos, but this is holding up, guys. I came in here and the clear part here was peeling up a bit, but I just pushed it and it was very sticky, almost more sticky than it was. I think it's from sitting in the heat, and as you can see, this is very more thin and kind of worn on here. I think it is from just sitting in the hot garage like that, but no leaks. I did have the towels underneath, but I don't see anything, so this is pretty sweet that it's holding up actually. And I think someone commented in that last video that they did this to their tank and it lasted 4 days, and this has been going now for 6 or 7 days, so that's pretty awesome. We almost have a week out of it, or pretty much a week out of it, and it's holding gas in the tank. That's cool. But I don't even think I'm gonna be riding anything today. There's just really no reason. I don't see anything that we could really do for a subject on the video. I really just wanted to intro the build on the $50 47cc engine. So now that I have this out of the way, I can go ahead and start getting your guys' input and getting stuff ordered, get some videos going on it so we can get the build series going, because I'm very excited. I haven't messed with these kind of engines since, man, way back probably in 2009 when I first started doing pocket bike videos and messing around with these things. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully this is enough for you guys. You know, it's a slower video but important nonetheless. But again, hope you guys enjoyed it, and thank you for watching, and I'll see you next video.